Yes, this is Icelin from Girlie Get Visa. I mean, the player name Girl, Yuh Good. Yes, me love, me name Richard Holloway and me play Icelin. Caribbean TV, enough respect. Yes, we come to talk the things of me now. Girl, Yuh Good, anywhere you're going in the world, I see Girl, Yuh Good. Remember, Icelin. Big up Caribbean TV. Enough respect to everybody and the viewers.
Yes, New York, from the folks who brought you Del Cita, here comes Icelin, the queen of mix-up, in a wicked new comedy.
Stop waste your time with me, sir.
Waste our time with me? You think that you can comfort yourself? You think that you can express yourself you want? You know a male come on this area. I may never see a male come to you yet. And every woman needs a man. They are bleeds out there.
The funniest comedy you see for 2010. Yes, Icelin, the queen of mix-up. She's coming to top the things then. She's gonna tell you who's getting married for a visa and who I give who born. For tickets and information, call. Sponsored in part